Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. It's warming up. Feels actually pretty good out here, to be honest with you. I think it's like 32, 33 degrees right now. High going up to almost 40 degrees today. So I was going to show you over here. I just put straw down through this whole area in here for them. So that's going to give them a little extra layer of insulation on top of everything else. And then obviously once they're out of here, I'll have to come in here and do a thorough cleaning. Not a big deal, but right now did that for them. And they are all out here in the run with Mama. So he's making them run. So puppies are doing good. This is actually, other than that one video you saw them out in the snow, this is their first time being out. It has been so freaking cold, I haven't been able to get them out at all. And they're dirty right now, I'll be honest with you, they're dirty. But nothing I could do about it up at this point. Over the next couple days, it's supposed to get better and better weather. And what I'm gonna get them all washed again. And this is the one that's a little female. That's what she is, and she's more shy, where the other ones are not. But so if anybody's looking for a little shy female, that's her. Yeah, so they're all over there getting a drink. I took the food out for the moment because Hella's in there. Otherwise, Hella would eat all the food. But I got water in there for them. So I figured get them outside a little bit, get them a little bit of fresh air. And, like I said, with the weather warming up, things are going to start melting, which will be fantastic. It's not going to happen overnight. But you can already kind of see through here, we definitely have had some meltage through this area and even through here. And like I said, today's really the first day that we've had that is pretty decent. So yeah, so puppies are all good. Like I said, they all need a good bath, but we're gonna have to wait a couple days for that. But like I said, I wanted to get them out here, get them so that they're out getting some fresh air, getting to run around a little bit. And so yeah, but they've held up well, and they're doing good. So we'll go over here real quick and we'll check on the chickies. I'm sure that they need food. And I'm pretty sure by this point the battery's got to be pretty much topped off. The last time I showed you guys it was like 9 in the morning, and now it is 1 in the afternoon. So I'm sure these guys are out of food. So we're gonna go over here and check that out. Hi chickies. Hi chickies. All right. All right. Yeah, their bowl's empty. Let me go get that filled up. I'm gonna have to bring them some more water in here as well, because you can see it's kind of frozen there. The one looks like they can get to it, but I'll bring some more water for these guys as well. Well, yeah, I think the next 5 days are supposed to be fairly decent, which will be great. And we will get things back to normal, if you will, hopefully. I want to be able to get the puppies out every day, give them an opportunity to stretch their legs, play, and all that. And so like right now she's in there obviously with them, and that's a good thing. So she's kind of locked in there too. So we're going to go in here. We're going to look and see where our solar is at. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, okay. So 95% and charging. I will tell you from personal experience of doing this for as long as I have, that last 10%, okay, getting it up to 100%, that's a huge saturation part of that. I will get my scissors and open these bags up so I can give the birds some food. But that's a huge part of it. And hey, like I said, just trying to take care of things and let the weather do what it's going to do. It's so nice. Number one, to see the sun and actually be a little bit warmer. It's been a blessing. But you know, I felt bad. I got to be honest with you, with the puppies out there, guys. I didn't have a whole lot of a choice because they're too big to be in the spot where they were at in the camper. Way too big for that spot, and so they have more room in the wolf's lair. All right, and so that's why they went into the wolf's lair. And it's only been like a week that they've been in the wolf's lair now, and you know, like being able to get them out today was good. Like I said, getting more straw in there in that area for them is also going to be good, and we're just going to kind of go from there. But yeah, they will be 8 weeks old on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, the puppies will be 8 weeks. So time flies, that's for sure. And but they're doing well, and they're, you know, they're healthy, they're happy. But so funny. They're so cute. Just doing their thing. So, all right. So that's kind of it. Nothing much else to report. Every puppy needs a bath. I'm not doing that today. I want to wait till, you know, we have a few warmer days in a row, and I think we got a day coming up here where it's going to be like 45. That might be a day that might be bath day, and so we'll take care of that at that point. But like I said, for right now, we're just getting them out, getting their area cleaned up in there was important, and so that was the goal. And you know, so there we are. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.